Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
So here is the stock, and here is some pickled red onion. Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 23 of Vlogmas. Now it is only 2 days left, and today we have been into the city one final time before Christmas. I had an appointment at Chanel because there was some things that I wanted, so I ended up getting 2 of the items that I wanted. But I'm not going to unbox them until tomorrow because it is my Christmas gift for myself. So therefore I'm going to wait with them. And I have also made some food. I have prepped the broth that we are going to boil the pinnekjøtt in. And I'm also going to make brown sauce with some of the broth. I have also made pickled red onion for the breakfast. And I also made panna cotta, which is something that we usually eat on Christmas Eve. I know it isn't the most traditional dish that we eat here in Norway. In Norway we used to eat rice cream, it is called. It is leftovers from the rice porridge that we eat today, and then you whip cream and add a little bit of the rice porridge. So it's called rice cream, and we used to have, for example, strawberry jam on it, but it isn't something that I really like. I think it isn't that good. And now we are going to eat rice porridge. I'm going to show you what it is and how we eat it. But I'm very excited to pack up the things that I got from Chanel, but I'm going to wait for tomorrow. And we also went grocery shopping today. It was packed and the store was so empty. Many of the items that we needed to buy were empty, so we had to order them, and it was quite a hassle. Other than that, I have just been chilling a little bit at home and making the home ready for Christmas. We have done a little bit of cleaning, and we have done a few things here and there. I also stopped by Dior today. I thought I was going to buy some shoes, but I didn't because they weren't as nice as I thought they were. But yeah, let's go and make rice porridge.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies.
So now we have just eaten and I'm very tired, so I think that I'm going to just take a shower and go to bed. Maybe watch some more TV and edit this video so it goes live. And yeah, that was Vlogmas number 23, and we only have 1 day left of Vlogmas, and tomorrow I'm going to make pork belly for me and my boyfriend, and we are going to open some Christmas presents because here in Norway we celebrate and open Christmas gifts on Christmas Eve instead of on the Christmas day. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas, and if you're not done watching yet, here is another video, and goodbye.